Just a little update on the wheels. So it is Wednesday. I went and dropped off the tires, and they should be done by Friday. So right now the wheels they've been completely chemical stripped. They have been sanded and filled. Right now all the scratches are gone. So now they're ready to get media blasted, and well, power wash first and then media blast, and then it's be ready for powder coat. So hopefully I will have them this Friday. So looking forward to it. And the tires should be mounted and everything, so we'll see how it goes. Boop.